landscape lights, fences, walls, stairs, anywhere imaginable. A 12-volt, 3-watt system. We're going to show you how easy it is to install and what it's about. We're unpacking the LED landscape lights. You get an 8-pack. You get the hardware, which includes screws, anchors. You have 6.6 feet of cable. Rigid is your negative. Solid is your positive. You require an Allen key to tighten up and adjust to the 200-degree angle of your choice. You have a cutting line on both sides to shorten the width of the stainless steel bracket that screws into anything or into cement to lock down. Carefully go through the packaging. Nicely packaged, as you can see, with an instruction guide and the quick connect with the options of wiring and transformers to hook up. Demonstrating the quick connects. With the wiring, untwist the top of the cap. With one of the leads, open up a little, slide through, place in, and twist down. When secured, repeat for the other one by untwisting, slide your leads through, and twist together. If you look inside, you can see the pin scoring through the wire. Tighten down. With a battery source, positive and negative, negative and positive, places for installation, use your imagination. We're going to show you how the light looks up, all hooked up to our system. A 3.0 Allen key tightens and unloosens your bracket, allowing you to cut easier your template. 3-watt 12-volt system is IP68 waterproof. Cut your template. For your lighting needs, untwist the tie wrap. Find a space that you could slide through and hang, and adjust accordingly to the angle you want. Stone blocks, simply lift, place on, and adjust. Test the equipment out. Make sure that's where you like it. And come and adjust for the angle you like. And we'll look at it nighttime and tell you what it's about. Landscape lights, fences, walls, stairs, anywhere imaginable. You like sitting out by the patio, having lights on, 3-watt illumination. They're very easy to dress up, adjust to the angle. Once tightened down, they are secured, and they have enough light to light the surrounding area. I hope you enjoy your landscape, staircase, wall lights, wherever you put them, a package of 8. Check out online for further detail about your product and what they have to offer. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.